Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth.js from a React Native app step by step clearly. To authenticate with Auth.js from a React Native app, begin by setting up your project. Create a new React Native app if you haven't already. Navigate to your project directory in the terminal. Install Auth.js by running the command npm install at auth/core. Next, create a configuration file for Auth.js. In your project, create a folder named Auth. Inside the Auth folder, create a new file called authconfig.js. Define your authentication providers, such as Google or GitHub. Set up the necessary credentials required for each provider. Make sure to export your configuration for use in other files. Now, open your main app file, typically app.js. Import the auth provider from Auth.js and your auth configuration. Wrap your main app component with the auth provider, passing your configuration as a prop. Now, create a login screen component if you don't have one. In your login screen, import necessary hooks from Auth.js. Use the useAuth method to manage authentication states and actions. Implement a login button that triggers the sign-in process when clicked. For example, configure a button to call the sign-in method from the useAuth hook. Handle any success or error responses from the sign-in method accordingly. Next, manage user session with state management or context. Display user information or a logout button based on the authentication state. Test your implementation by running the app on a simulator or device. Check the console for any errors that may arise during the authentication process. Verify that user authentication is working correctly. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing feedback. Finally, ensure your app complies with any authentication flow guidelines provided by the providers you are using. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.